Okay, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. And today we're going to speak about a player, Michail Antonio. Spectacular form. This man is in absolutely spectacular form. And the good thing about it is that he was in my FPL team. Yes, he was. Yes, people. He was in my FPL team. And I got like, I think about, let me see. Let me check, people. Let me check. I don't want to quote wrong, but let me check how much points I got from him. Woo! Let me see how much let me see how much points I got from him. 16 points. I got 16 points. I got 16 points from Michail Antonio, people. And well, all I have to say is, guys, you see that running across? On my road to 6,000 subscribers, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Secondly, what do you think about Michail Antonio now becoming West Ham United all-time leading goal scorer in the Premier League? All-time leading goal scorer in the Premier League. And that's a great achievement. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is his celebration and what he said. I'm going to show you guys his celebration. This was Michail Antonio's celebration. He celebrated with a cardboard box carved out of himself. That is how he celebrated becoming a legend. And in the interview, he was asked, why did he celebrate the cardboard box? He said, this moment is a special moment. And because it's a special moment, I have to do something extremely special. And that was what he did, people. That was what he did. As you can see, he was celebrating with the cardboard box. Dancing around with the cardboard box, people. Special moment from him. And congratulations. This guy is now 3 goals in 2 games. 3 goals in 2 games, people, without a doubt. And 1 assist. So that's literally 4 goal contribution in 2 games. Putting him right now on top of the goal scoring sheet in the Premier League. People, you can't question that. You cannot question that. This man is in spectacular form. And I'm telling you, what he's going to offer to Jamaica is going to be really unique. All right. So even the commentators were saying that what Michail Antonio is bringing to the Reggae Boyz squad will be something special. Then I hear something else. Someone saying that, listen people, listen keenly. Someone saying that Michail Antonio, Gareth Southgate should consider Michail Antonio. That's what someone said. One of the commentators, that Gareth Southgate should consider Michail Antonio at this time, right? At this time, come on. You guys are joking. So what I'm going to do, people, I am going to run through some of his stats. So I'm going to give you guys a bit of insight on how the game went. Let me bring it up. I'm bringing it up, people. Now, this all aspect was his performance. So, 9.5 SofaScore ratings, man of the match, people. He received man of the match award. 2 goals, 1 assist. He really helped his team in a dogged fight to come and literally beat Leicester City quite confidently and convincingly as well. So he has 2 goals, 1 assist, 4 shots on target, 2 off target, 1 block shot. In total, that is 7 shots. 3 dribbled attempts, and he completed all 3 of them. He missed 1 big chance as well, but that's a part of football. He had 44 touches. Now you know he's not that type of passing striker. He attempted 23 passes, completing 14, 61% pass completion. So he made 2 key passes as well, and one of those was where he got his assist. He created 1 big chance, which is the assist, and then he encountered in 10 ground duels. He was really physical, fighting with the defenders, ragged. So he was actually in 18 total duels, 18 duels in total. 10 ground duels, he won 6 of those. 8 aerial duels, and he won 4 of those. So he was active, really active, fighting with the defenders. He was utilizing the channels. People. Lost possession 15 times, which is okay. It's high, but he was actually very active. That is the reason why he lost possession so much time. Committed 1 foul, he was fouled 1, and he was offside once. And then now he made 2 tackles. And as I said, people, this is a hallmark. This is a typical Michail Antonio, or type of Michail Antonio. These are the type of performance that the Reggae Boyz squad should or we should believe that we're going to be getting, because these are the performance that we're expecting to see from Michail Antonio, people. And you cannot deny that he's that type of player. He continued that spectacular form that he was in since last season. This is how he ended last season. Scoring goals for fun, fighting with defenders for the ball, 1v1s, getting physical with defenders, bullying defenders as well. Just as though we saw Lukaku bullying the Arsenal defenders. Look here, we see Michail Antonio bullying Leicester City defenders. It was a very intriguing game, very, very impressive game, and I assume that everyone was impressed with that performance, and I assume that Tapa Whitmore should be sitting there. Tapa Whitmore should be sitting here, something like that, and saying these are the performances that I want to see from our strikers. Not only a matter of being clinical, but the whole aspect of being at the right place at the right time, bullying the defenders, getting physical with the defenders, moving into the channels, utilizing the channels. And one of the assets that I realized with Michail Antonio is this: he knows when to attack the box. He knows when to attack the box. His timing is impeccable, and he's also a counter-attacking football striker. So he can start the counter-attack and also be on the end of it. Great attributes, people. Great attributes for Michail Antonio. And I can tell you, these are really, really good signs that are things we have to come. Really, really good signs of things we have to come. And these are the things that we're expecting from our strikers. And these are the things, these are the performances that we are expecting to be showcased throughout this time period of going to select the Gold Cups, the World Cup qualifier squad. Yes, we know about the whole issue of the red listed countries and red listed nations, but in all aspects, we will see how that one goes. As we know, sports personals, these guys are in a bubble. Every one of these guys are in a bubble. If that is the case, which means that none of, because a lot of those countries in Europe are also red listed. England himself should have been one of the countries who are red listed, but at that aspect, we'll see how that one goes. But definitely, people, congratulations, Michail Antonio, for becoming West Ham all-time leading goal scorer in the Premier League. Congratulations. And I'm telling you, these are the performances I believe that you will offer to us in the Reggae Boyz squad, in the Jamaican squad. And World Cup qualifiers coming up, I believe that I expect that to see these type of performances week in, week out, people. So, people, thank you very much for tuning in. Definitely, this has been a really, really good one, and it's good to see our player. He hasn't played for us as yet, but definitely he's going to. So why not? It's good to see our players out there enjoying themselves, and definitely, people, make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna channel. Don't forget, it's the easiest way to assist the channel in growing. Help the channel grow, people. Smash the like button and also subscribe. Military Guna TV, people. Have a good one. Congrats again.